Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Presently the Australian dollar hovers around the 64.30-70 area as the market still looks for direction in terms of the fact that each time we get to the bottom side of the range, bounces but lacks momentum to continue. I still feel a return of demand will emerge from the bottom side of this range as recently seen, and if so should look back towards 65.45, which awaits the break to 66 cents. Turning to the euro, a little bit mixed as the dollar holds steady, but nevertheless all eyes waiting for the US CPI and the ECB outlook. Given that, the weakness may again find support near the region of 115.25 to 115.60. From here, expect a bounce back towards 116 to 117 and reassess. Dollar yen, well, it nudges higher, carefully looking and see if the bull trap can be triggered, like recently seen here. If so, another downturn is expected. MACD is still very flat, and therefore a risk of return of supply should see a move back towards the bottom side, somewhere around 151.25 to 151.80, where I await for a break to support the downside further. Moving on to sterling, but the market still remains weak and could see a challenge to this bottom side of the range around 132.15.60 area. If so, then a bounce is expected like previously seen from this hammer and look back towards 134 and reassess. Wrapping up with gold, well, the market is still somewhat negative, but still holding clearly above this key support area around 4,000. Nevertheless, let's see if the market does respond bullish from here and look back to the top side of the range, somewhere around 4,200. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market surged and still looking positive. That could see a rally now to 60.5 and may put an extension on to $62 a barrel and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.